I guess here most of them get answer 576 for this problem in wrong order. Here 9 plus 3 power 3 is 27 times here 16 divided by 4 in bracket whole power 2. Here 9 plus 7 is 36 times here 16 divided by 4 whole power 2. Here 36 times here 16 divided by 4 is 4 to the power of 2. Here 36 times here 4 square is 16. Here 36 times 16 is 576 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 576 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operations. This is a bracket higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Yeah, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation here. 9 plus 3 power 3 times here 16 divided by 4 is 4 to the power of this 2. Here the next priority is exponent. So we have to do this exponents before this addition and multiplication here. 9 plus 3 power 3 is 27 times here 4 square is 16. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition here. 9 plus 27 times 16 is 432. Here 9 plus 432 is 441 is the correct answer.